Hi, it's Teacher Paul from Hard Boiled English. I'm talking to you right now from the beautiful Isla Rosa off the coast of Cartagena, Colombia. And I'm going to answer a question given to me by a student, so stay with me. So, not long ago, a student of mine said, "Teacher, what's the opposite of domestic?" He was trying to book a flight not in his own country. He knew that in-country flight was called domestic flight, and he wanted to know the opposite. And I told him international. And he said, "Teacher Paul, are you sure? Isn't it abroad?" So here's his mystery. What's the difference between abroad and international? Well, the difference is actually fairly simple. Both words, international and abroad, mean or seem to mean outside of one's country. If domestic means inside the country, and that can relate to flights, politics, economics, and so forth. If domestic means something happening within a country, what's the opposite? It's actually not abroad. The opposite of domestic is international. Why? Because domestic is an adjective. You use it to describe a noun. So for example, my student wanted to get an international flight, not a domestic flight. International is an adjective, flight is a noun. International, domestic, both adjectives. Okay, so what then is abroad? What does it mean? It has the same idea inside it. It means outside of one's country. However, the difference is grammatical. Where domestic and international are adjectives that can modify a noun, abroad is not. Abroad is an adverb. An adverb modifies a verb, not a noun. So we shouldn't say, "I want an abroad flight." We should say something like, "I am abroad." Abroad is the adverb modifying the be verb am. Or you could say, "I love to travel abroad." Or, "I am traveling abroad." Or, "Teacher Paul is abroad." And it's true, right now I'm in Colombia. I'm not in Canada where I usually am. On the other hand, abroad can't really modify a noun like flight or politics or economics. Try it. If we said, "Teacher, I want to book an abroad flight," it doesn't quite work. So, the difference is domestic and international are adjectives, and abroad is an adverb. And that's how we should use them. So that's a great question. If you like this video and you'd like to see me make more of them, please leave a comment with your English question below. And don't forget to subscribe below to our channel so we can keep making you more videos. In the meantime, I'm going to keep enjoying my vacation here in Colombia. See you later.